By 2026, these 5 AI tools will eliminate millions of jobs forever. First, GPT-5 and advanced language models are replacing content writers, copywriters, and journalists with human-level creativity and research abilities. Second, autonomous coding platforms like GitHub Copilot successors are making junior developers obsolete by writing entire applications from simple descriptions. Third, AI customer service agents with perfect emotional intelligence are replacing call center workers and support staff worldwide. Fourth, robotic process automation tools are eliminating data entry clerks, bookkeepers, and administrative assistants by handling complex workflows automatically. Fifth, AI diagnostic systems are replacing radiologists and medical analysts with superhuman accuracy in detecting diseases from scans and lab results. These aren't distant possibilities. They're already happening in pilot programs across Fortune 500 companies. The question isn't if your job will be affected, it's when. Subscribe to Zero Input AI for daily insights on surviving the AI revolution.